Hi guys, welcome to Let's Take a Break. Guess what? Today I'm going to experiment something new. Today I'm not going to show you around. Instead, I'm going to show you my packing video. In the sense, what do I pack when I go out? So all of you know that it's summer holidays, and all of you generally plan to go out either on a vacation or your hometown, etc., etc. So I also needed a break, so I thought, okay, let me go somewhere, and I booked a resort. And yeah, I'll tell you about it when I reach there. I always wanted to make a packing video and show it to my viewers. For some reason, I could never make a packing video. So, this time I decided, let me actually make one and show it to you guys. So, the number one thing that I'm going to show you guys is my swimsuit. As we all know, whenever we head out to any kind of resort, we generally go for swimming and all of that, and this is the swimsuit that I have been using for years together, and I really love this swimsuit. It's very comfortable. It kind of has a skirt and all of that, and you can see the pant inside it. Yeah, so this is one of my swimsuit, and along with that I'm also carrying another extra swimsuit just in case. And after that, this is my evening dress or something for the dinner. I bought this from Zudio. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys must have already seen this on Zudio. In Zudio, I mean. And this is my head towel. Yeah, you must be laughing, thinking that she said she's going to a resort. Why is she carrying this? Because, like I said, I have decided to go to swimming pool, so this will be easy and handy to tie up my hair after the swim. That's why. And yeah, this is my face towel. It's a quick dry face towel that I bought it from Decathlon. The reason why I carry my face towel everywhere in the sense, generally whenever I travel, that's because I don't trust the towels that they provide in resorts or hotel or whatever, even if it's a 5-star hotel. I have a very sensitive skin, so yeah. Also, I had seen a lot of reels and all of that and heard kind of few things, so to avoid that, I carry a small face towel along with me every single time whenever I travel. And that's about that. And yeah, this is what I'm going to wear for my road trip. I generally travel by road most of the time, and I always choose comfort over fashion when it comes to road trips. Even if I'm traveling by flight or bus, train, whatever, I always choose comfort over fashion when it comes to traveling. So yeah, this is this cute crop top that I'm gonna wear, and this is a baggy pant that I'm going to wear along with that t-shirt. I hope I look cute in that. Let's see. And these are some clips and all that, butterfly and these furry clips and normal regular bands and headband, all these things, and some choto TikToks and a banana clip. These are very necessary, and for that I'm going to put all of that in a pouch so that it doesn't get mixed up with everything. So that's about that. And now comes my jewelry box, a small tiny jewelry box. That's because I'm just gonna go for a day, so I don't want to carry too much. So I'm carrying a couple of my earrings. I wasn't sure what I want to wear, so I'm carrying all of these. And yeah, probably wearing the same earrings that I'm wearing right now, along with my crop top and a baggy pant, because I don't want to change that. And yeah, couple of these a small chain or neck piece. Can you see it? Yeah. It's gonna go like this. I'm gonna show you when I wear it. So this is my tiny jewelry box for a one-way outing or a stay. This is my hair straightener. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or not. I generally carry it along with me on all my vacation, but I hardly use it, to be very honest. Let's see. Even otherwise, I have a straight hair. You know, I don't really need one. Just a bit here and there, since I don't normally tie up a pony and all of those things. To set that, I use it at the ends. Otherwise, I just tie up a pony. And moreover, it's summer. Yeah, I don't even feel like leaving my hair open unless and until I'm sitting in an AC room or something. And this is my hair serum that I'm going to apply before straightening, in case if I do the hair straightening. Otherwise, yeah, it's fine. I mean, my hair isn't that bad. I just have to comb it properly. And now comes my makeup. I'm pretty sure you're gonna laugh at my makeup kit because I'm not really that great at it. I just do the basics. So yeah, all I have is a moisturizer, sunscreen, and compact. You see this tiny foundation. Yeah, I never buy a bigger foundation because I generally don't use them, and it gets expired and I just throw them away, so I hardly use it. The compact, yeah, I do use the compact and the moisturizer. And my kajal, I always use my kajal, so that's a must. And yeah, I have couple of lipsticks in this, lipsticks and lip gloss. Yeah, I use lipsticks. I love lipsticks. And yeah, in case if I do the makeup, I'm gonna need to set the makeup, so I'm gonna carry this. And what else do we have? Aloe vera gel. That's the only skin routine that I follow. So, and yeah, this is the blush. Though I don't do my makeup that often, I always make sure that my blush is always clean, the sponge I mean, and I always put it in a box. You get a blender box, a different kind of blender box. This is the blender box that I have. I think this is going to be a very useful tip for all my viewers. In case if you don't mix up with other makeup products, always have a separate box for your blenders. That's about that. And now let's talk about footwear. Yeah, so before heading towards my footwear, I also carry a face wash, because all of you know that irrespective of whatever resorts or hotels you book, they only provide you shampoos and lotion, body wash and all that. They don't provide you face wash, so I always carry my face wash. I also carry my mouthwash because they don't provide mouthwash either. Right now I don't have it around me. I have to go to the bathroom and get it. So yeah, I'm going to carry two footwears. One is this chappal, that is for the pool use, because once you step out of the pool, or once while you're going towards the pool and all of that, or to walk in and around, you can use that. And these are my wedges. You see them? Yeah, I generally don't wear heels. If I do, it's always the wedges. I'm not someone who's comfortable with pointed heels and all of that. I always choose comfort over fashion. So yeah, my footwears are like very regular. So with these, I'm gonna wear my shoes, okay, the normal shoes. And for the dress, I'm gonna wear wedges and things. And yeah, slippers obviously near the pool. Oh, and nightwear. Yeah, what am I carrying for my nightwear? I didn't show you guys. A simple baggy loose t-shirt, because like I said, comfort comes first. We are going to resort to relax. So that, and I have this bunion material 3/4 pant. So yeah, kind of boring, but yeah, very comfortable. So that's all folks, that's all for now. I hope you liked this video. I hope you feel that this video is helpful. In case if you did, please like, share and comment. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe right away and press the bell icon. Bye bye.